Today's video, I am super excited to announce that I'm going to be installing a new front grille onto my GMC 1500 AT4. Now, I was fortunate enough to get this grille from American Modified. These guys sent me out this grille for me to do a install and review on. This is the gloss black one, and this one retains the GMC logo on there. You see, I will put that on here. They have a couple different variations of it. There's like a gloss black one, there's a matte black, and then there's the gloss with like the chrome, and then there's a totally other variation where it like deletes the centerpiece and then there's running lights in them. And I thought about that one for a little bit, but then I thought, well, I'm gonna try and do like those Raptor lights where it's like up top here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna do those. I was thinking like I may put like the hole in these two pillars and like that be my lights, but haven't got there yet. Got the old grill off, sitting here next to the new grill. You see, they look pretty good. They both have like the same connection points, so that's super nice. Shouldn't be too bad. It did come with hardware for the light, not the light, I'm sorry, the camera. So I can mount the camera right there, from there to there. And then the GMC logo, of course, we'll swap over. It looks pretty good. It definitely looks better with the GMC logo on it. I'm gonna press this into place and try and figure out how to do this camera. I'm trying not to like scratch up the front end. Yes, we can simply just place it, which it looks like we can. It's actually pretty nice because it's molded like to the factory housing. It did include a housing here, So I'm not 100% sure if we have to run this housing, because it looks good. I mean, of course, to the instructions, you should run it, but they look identical, like spot on identical in every way. I am going to run the factory one. I'd rather run the factory one just because I know it 100% fits, but I will run their screws just in case. Cool. New camera's installed. I don't know which side this goes. I think it goes this side. Something that would have been cool if they would have implemented little spots for this to stay. I skipped a little bit. I finished the install. My camera overheated, so didn't really have a choice there. I have not closed the hood yet. I just finished wrapping it up. I put the weather strip on, finished putting on the grill here. That looks like crap still. Oh, there it goes. Looks good now. So far it looks great. Like, it's definitely aggressive. So let's close the hood. Really get the bigger picture here. Make sure I don't have any tools in here. Okay. All right. Let's see. Sheesh. All right. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna find my keys so we can light it up orange. There we go. All right, what do you guys think? That's pretty aggressive. The black is pretty close to spot on with factory paint, so you don't have to worry about mismatched black. Because that was my biggest worry. I didn't want the black to like stand out like, oh, that's not even close. Like, that's a different shade of black. No, it's actually pretty close. Yeah, it's dang near perfect. Huh. Whoops. I definitely want to do something about the fog lights. Or the headlights, if that LED strip could be more open like that, or if this was more chrome, so it stood out more. Because the headlights just look full black, but they're not full black. But like, turn on the DRLs, it goes pretty hard. So I'm thinking now that that's installed, this is kind of what I was going to do. So I have, it's a mess up here between 3 cars and my girlfriend's car. So many projects. So these are little LED strips that, these are like the Ford Raptor. So this is what I was thinking. I can either cut off these ends here, put a hole in this, and put them right there. Overall install was very easy. Fitment was, I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. The only thing I had issues with, and this very well could be my fault, is the camera right here. You can see it's not perfectly centered. Now, I didn't use their bracket, so that could be my fault. Because their bracket, I don't know, it was already mounted in the factory bracket, so it was nice. They do have a bracket here, which this could have been better than what the factory one is. I don't know. I just used the factory one. So that could be my fault, or it could just not be 100% centered, or, you know, whatever. But it's nice having the entire front end essentially blacked out now. I did like the factory one. Not saying I didn't like the factory one. I did really like the factory one. And like this offset, like gunmetal chromish look. But that does look pretty good. So tell me what you guys think. I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.